Hello students, today's discussion topic is dairy farming, then Mediterranean agriculture, viticulture, etc. First topic is dairy farming. Dairy farming is the most advanced and efficient type of rearing of milky animals. That means in dairy farming, the farmer practice animal husbandry. Okay, they mainly rearing different types of milky animals, such as cattle. Okay, it is highly capital intensive activity. That means in dairy farming the capital expenditure is high. In dairy farming the farmer use more capital for animal seeds, storage facilities, for fooding, that means fodder, feeding and milking machines. Okay, that's why in dairy farming capital investment is high. Okay, in dairy farming the herder use different types of milking machines. They use feeding machines. Okay, and also they construct storage facilities, and they use different types of animal seeds or different types of animal breed. Special emphasis is laid on cattle breeding, healthcare and veterinary services. তো তাত তাহাঁতি কি কৰে এনিমেল যিটো ব্ৰিডিং ডিফাৰেঞ্চ ব্ৰিড ইউজ কৰিব, ঠিক আছে। তাত ডিফাৰেণ্ট ব্ৰিডিং কাৰণে ইম্পৰ্টেঞ্চ দিয়ে, হেল্থ কেয়াৰ ফেচিলিটিজ ইম্প্ৰুভমেণ্টৰ কাৰণে বা হেল্থ কেয়াৰ চিষ্টেমটো যাতে এটা মেইনটেইন হৈ থাকে তাৰ কাৰণে ইম্পৰ্টেঞ্চ দিয়ে, ভেটেৰিনেৰী ছাৰ্ভিচেছখিনি প্ৰভাইড কৰে। অ'কে, dairy farming is the highly labor intensive activity. In dairy farming labor investment is high. Okay, that means তো তাত লেবাৰ কি হয় বেছিকৈ প্ৰয়োজন হয়, দৰকাৰটো লেবাৰ লাগিব, কিহৰ কাৰণে লাগিব, লেবাৰ ইণ্টেনচিভ বিকজ ইট ইনভলভছ rigorous care in feeding and milking. Okay, labor intensive because labor is need for feeding and milking. তো ডেইৰী ফাৰ্মিঙত কি হয় মিল্ক প্ৰডাকশ্যনৰ কাৰণে এনিমেলখিনিক ফিডিঙৰ কাৰণে লেবাৰটো বেছিকৈ দৰকাৰ হয়, তো সেইকাৰণে লেবাৰ ইণ্টেনচিভ হয়। দেয়াৰ ইজ ন' অফ ছিজন ডিউৰিং দ্য ইয়েৰ এজ ইন দ্য কেছ অফ ক্ৰপ ৰাইজিং। In dairy farming there are no season. Throughout the year they practice different cattle, they rearing different cattle, they mainly rearing milking animals. Okay, dairy farming mainly practice near urban area because they sell their finished product in urban area or industrial area. So dairy farming mainly practice in urban area, urban area. Okay, it is practiced mainly near urban and industrial centers which provide neighborhood market for fresh milk and dairy products. In dairy farming the finished product mainly sell in the market, so the herder mainly give importance for place selections. Okay, farm selection. The farm mainly established near in urban centers, near in industrial centers, because in urban areas is importance for market facilities. Okay, and also industrial area is important for market facilities. তো মাৰ্কেটৰ কাৰণে তাহাঁতি কি কৰিব, আৰ্বান এৰিয়াৰ বা যিটো ইণ্ডাষ্ট্ৰিয়েল এৰিয়াৰ তাৰ ছাইডতে ষ্টাব্লিছ কৰিব। তো প্লেচটো চিলেকশ্যন কৰোঁতে সেইটো কাৰণে ইম্পৰ্টেঞ্চ দিয়ে। দ্য ডেভেলপমেণ্ট অফ ট্ৰান্সপৰ্ট, ৰেফ্ৰিজাৰেশ্যনছ, pasteurization and other preservation processes have increased the duration of storage various dairy products. In dairy farming the farmer laid emphasis on refrigerations, pasteurization and other preservation processes. তো তাত ডেইৰী ফাৰ্মিঙত কি কৰে যিখিনি হাৰ্ডাৰ হয় তাহাঁতি মেইনলি ইম্পৰ্টেঞ্চ দিয়ে কিহৰ ওপৰত ৰেফ্ৰিজাৰেশ্যন যাতে কুলিং প্ৰচেছটোৰ ওপৰত যাতে পেষ্টুৰেশ্যন যিখিনি তাত ইনচেক্ট বা আদাৰ যিখিনি তাত কিছুমান বীজাণু থাকিলে ভাইৰাছ থাকিলে সেই ভাইৰাছখিনি নাইকিয়া কৰিবৰ কাৰণে তাত ইম্পৰ্টেঞ্চ দিয়ে পেষ্টুৰাইজেশ্যন প্ৰচেছটো সেইটো কাৰণে লাগিব আমাক তাত ভাইৰাছখিনি নাইকিয়া কৰিবৰ কাৰণে পেষ্টুৰাইজেশ্যন প্ৰচেছ লাগে আৰু আদাৰ প্ৰিজাৰ্ভেশ্যন প্ৰচেছেছখিনিৰ ওপৰত ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট দিয়ে ঠিক আছে এণ্ড অলছ' ইম্পৰ্টেঞ্চ দিয়ে যিটো ষ্ট'ৰেজ ফেচিলিটিছৰ ওপৰত দেৰ আৰ মেইনলি 3 regions of commercial dairy farming. The largest is northwestern Europe, second is Canada, and third belt is southeastern Australia, New Zealand, and Tasmania. These are the characteristics of dairy farming. Next topic is Mediterranean agriculture. Mediterranean agriculture is highly specialized commercial agricultural activity. Remember that Mediterranean agriculture is highly specialized and commercial agricultural system. It is mainly practiced in the countries on either side of Mediterranean Sea. Okay, that means it is mainly practiced in Europe, North Africa, Tunisia, and Atlantic coast, Southern California, Central Chile, southwestern parts of South Africa, and southwestern part of Australia, and this region is important for supply of citrus fruit. In Mediterranean agriculture, the farmer mainly practice citrus fruit. Citrus means যিখিনি লেমন বা আদাৰ যিখিনি citrus fruit তাত ইনক্লুড থাকিব ঠিক আছে citrus foodত মেইনলি টেঙা যিবোৰ টেঙা জাতীয় যিখিনি মানে ফ্ৰুটছ সেইখিনি তাত ইনক্লুডেড হৈ থাকে citrus foodত In Mediterranean agriculture, the farmer mainly practice only citrus fruit. Also, they practice different types of fruits. Okay, they give importance on viticulture or grape cultivation. Grape cultivation is a specialty of Mediterranean region. In Mediterranean region, the farmer practice grape cultivation. Okay, grape cultivation is a main specialty of Mediterranean agricultural system. Okay, citrus fruit to production koribo tat aru grape production koribo. Best quality of wines in the world with distinctive flavors are produced from high quality grapes in various countries of this region. In Mediterranean region, different wine mainly practice in different countries of Mediterranean region. Okay, so যিখিনি high quality যিখিনি grapes সেই high quality grapesৰ পৰা তাহাঁতি কি কৰে wine production কৰে. Best quality of wine in the world with distinctive flavors are produced from high quality grapes in various countries of this region. Okay, the inferior grapes are dried into resins and carantas. Also, they produce different carantas and resins. So, kismis jitu tar pora production koribo jikhini bad quality ba low quality jikhini grapes hoy. These regions also produce olives and figs. Jitu main tator importance hol citrus fruit to hekane tat olives or figs o tat production kore. The advantages of Mediterranean agriculture is that more valuable crops such as fruits and vegetables are grown in winter when there is great demand in European and North American market. These are the characteristics of Mediterranean agriculture, and then I will discuss next topic in next class. Okay, market gardening and horticulture. For today, thank you.